Good day, everyone. I'm George your tutor. So, in this tutorial, we'll be looking at how to design. Um, okay, this. Okay, we're looking at how to design this. Very very simple stuff. Okay, so we'll just delete this our new text. Okay, so let's keep this one by the side. Now, or let me just blind it. And the first thing we should do now, I've already prepared the background. Now we'll come to watch what we are going to do now. We'll come here. Okay, in these three dots like this. Now we'll click here, click use image from gallery. Okay, then what we'll do now is that we'll come where this our background is here. Okay, then click good. You see that then the next thing we should do now is to bring in our tomato paste, our tomato. Look at this Heinz tomato. Okay, then we'll bring it in. Then we'll twine it like this. Okay, we'll just use here to rotate it. Click here, then rotate it a little bit like this, then resize it. Okay, place it here. Okay, you see that now you click on here. Okay, click here, then you first of all highlight it, then click on here, then click copy. Then when you copy, you will now twine it again like this. Then let's reduce it a little bit so that our work won't look that jam packed. I think I should just bring in this one. Let me see what exactly I'm doing here. Okay, so you just have to measure it and be sure of what you're doing. Okay, so that's it. Then we'll size this one. So let's take this a little bit upper. What we are designing now is a premium social media flyer. So what next we'll do now is that we'll come to this plus icon here, click on it, then click on your sticker, click on this now, click on the sticker. Then what you do now is you tap here. Okay, just tap it, bam. Now you've tapped it, you now bring this sticker here, then come to color and activate this, then change the color to black. Okay, expand it a little bit. Okay, then send to back, click back to back here, then I've sent it to back. Now compress it a little bit. Then compress it a little bit. This look real. Okay, then after you must have compressed it, now the next thing just there is to add your leaves. Okay, let's add our leaves. Now. Let's add our leaves. Look at our leaves. Let's add it. Okay, so there is more to this. Okay, there is more to this beyond what we are doing now. There is more. I'm just taking you through this so you will see how that you can design stunning flyers with your phone. You don't necessarily need a laptop. I'm not saying learning how to design with your laptop is bad. Copy it now. Then what I'm saying is this: you don't need a laptop to become a graphic designer. You don't necessarily need a laptop to become a graphic designer. So what you just need is your phone and correct tutorship. Okay, now the next thing we should do now is to your tasty paste. Okay, next thing we should do now is to bring in our text. Then we'll go to we'll click on this plus, click on text now. Then we'll type Haynes. Okay, then everything capital letter. Then what we should do now is we'll come to our font here. Then we'll scroll down. We'll go to this font. We'll use this font days. Okay, click on the days now. You see, then we'll expand it a little bit, expand it like this, expand it now. Okay, then I think size 137 is enough. Then we'll come to this opacity, reduce it. Okay, then send it to back, click this to back. Okay, see that I think we still need to increase the opacity. Okay, so let's increase the opacity, increase a little bit, so it will be visible enough. So you see that Haynes now, Haynes what again it is? Here's your tasty tomato abi what? Let me be sure of what is there. Okay, your tasty paste. Your taste, then you come here, just bring it here. Your tasty, okay, paste now, capital letter everything, then click OK. Now you come here, come to your font, then use that same days. Okay, then reduce the size of it, reduce the size. Okay, and you're good to go. Nothing much, nothing less. Okay, so you should just save your work, and that's all, nothing much. So we'll see in our next video.